Myntri ketenat pule puthi kejela ukurakam sangma ula Kyntait ye ki jingkynnoh baka Meghalaya Education Grant MEG ka thmu ban aiti penyaitno ye ki skul bat ki college riew shimet. Ula kenno ru ye ka Voice of the People Party VPP halor ka jingkren klik tedong halor ka ni kapang. Nga kwa baka VPP ka day ban wan syakmat ban ye kren bat nga lane ber ki officer jongi ban tip na du telong halor ka jingthmu jong ka MEG. Balai ki kelat klik tedong ya ka ka baki kren. Henin ki juk ki riew ki ong baka sorkar kam syam lale ban kentiu ya ki jaka pule puthi bat penbet ya baro ki jing Namar ka jing tip ya baro ki jing tenjuk ka sorkar kalawan ra ya ki katto ka ni ki sin jambat ki polisi. Hakas ka babut ki juk ki riew ki ong baka sorkar kan sa aiti ban penyaitno riew shimet ong urakam haba kren syakilat patai kubor hakas ningkong. Haba kentho alor ke jingkren badang syen jong unong aiktien ka VPP uba bat scam marbo. Usang ma ula batai baki sin jam balashim taka sorkar ka thmu ban penbej renti halor ka rukom penyat ya ka pule puthi da ka ba penduna ya ka jingdon bun kerdan haki skul bat ki nong hikai na ka khatsau syakalai ki skul ba penyat da ka sorkar ki skul ba yo jingerap ne Grant in Aid bat ki skul shimet. Katkum ke jing ong jong u kene ke jing terwa ka thmu ban penyat no da ka sorkar ya ki jaka pule deficit ha kabana kaliang ka sorkar hi kalasiu ya ki tulop jong ki kam balamang ne sanction post. Myntri ula ainuk saru ya ki college bapau khumat kum ka St. Edmunds bat St. Anthony's ki balayo shibun ke jing Krishan na ka sorkar halor ka jing siu tulop. Ula ong baka sorkar ka kwa ban shimti hino bat ban penyat hidalade ya kini ki jaka pule ha ka jaka ban ai penyat ya ki riew shimet. Namar kata ke sorkar kan dang sedang ya ki sinjam ngidang don ha ke kerdan jing kren ngidang penlong ya ke jing kren bat baru ki jaka pule deficit namar ya ki kam lamang de ke sorkar bat ya ki tulop jong ki nong hikai lasiu de ke sorkar ong urakam haba bendra kumta ke sorkar kala ajing mut syaki lakin syak ne em yang ban shimti ya ki jaka pule ki jongki lada ki menjur ke sorkar ka kwa ban shimti. Kata kamut ha ka jaka ban penlong ya ki jaka pule shimet ka sorkar kan shimti ban penyat yaki. Nalor kata Myntri ula penpau ru balathau ya ka komiti kaban ya kendu ya ki kenhun beper kumju ke managing committee jong ki skul ban ya kren halor keni ke jing terwa. Wat la kata ula penpau baki jaka pule ki bahe kum ka St. Edmunds bat St. Anthony's College kila ban menjur ban ai penyat ka sorkar. Kat kum ka jing ong jong u ka sorkar kala ai ka jing Krishan pisa ka bakot hadu ar pulai klur syakini ki arteliki college na ka bentaban siu tulop ya ki nohikai nyopo hadu prapo ha St. Edmunds bat shispat tam ha St. Anthony's. Habakali Myntri ula banjur bakarai ban IT penyat sya ka sorkar ya ki jaka pule kan syong ha ka jing shimrai da ki jaka pule.
I wish they should come and discuss with me or some of our officials to know the first-hand information. Why they contradict themselves? Yesterday, the same people are saying that government doing nothing to improve the education institutions and solving out the issue. And knowing about the challenges, government is still initiating to take certain challenges. I mean, the certain process, right? Certain policy. So therefore, and the next day, the same people are saying the government is going to privatize. In fact, they are contradicting themselves. Look, it is clear. Government in our state, we have about 14 number of categories of schools and a teacher. To streamline, to reform, we want to bring it to the maximum of the 3 categories. Government and grant in aid schools and private, 3 category maximum. So therefore government was in initiating the process. We are on the discussion stage now. We are holding the discussion that all the deficit institutions, because they are sanctioned posts, right? For all the deficit institutions, the post is being sanctioned by the government and salary is being paid by the government. For example, all the colleges in the city, be it prominent colleges, we are proud to say, Syllad, government is giving a salary support of rupees about 23 to 24 crore every year. For St. Anthony College, Meghalaya government is giving a 23 to 24 crore every year for the salary. Likewise, in the St. Mary's, with Shillong College, with Lady King College, with Don Bosco College Tura, with Loyola College, with Myntri College, and in every nook and corner of the state. Deficit means it's a government supporting college, right? So therefore, now government is throwing the idea to them. Will you allow you to be provincialized by the government? That means government, if they agree, government wants to take over, provincialize all the deficit institutions because they are already sanctioned, right? So that means instead of privatizing, government is going to provincialize. But however, I don't know how they read between the lines. They make it privatization. So I think they have contradict themselves from yesterday and to this statement. So I think what they said, it is not correct. I wish they should come and like meet some officials or meet me also. We can discuss better. I can brief them better. But as of now, we have not received any oppose. As of now, so our officials, we have constituted a committee to meet all the stakeholders, to make all the assurances, right? Suppose it's a very simple idea, right? Look, they are already because all the salary of the sanctioned posts are borne by the government. Simple as simple. Suppose I will give an example. In St. Edmund, if I'm not wrong, so I think 70 or 80 number of lecturers are sanctioned posts. Their salary is 100% supported by the government. Even in St. Anthony College, about 119, if I'm not wrong, I don't have the correct figure with me, about 100 plus lecturer is being supported, their salary is being paid by the government. Imagine, 23 crore approximately every year we are supporting our prominent colleges in the city for the salary support. They're like a government only. But however, in view of the big institutions, they have to appoint many college posts here and there. So maybe like St. Anthony, St. Edmund, many colleges will not be agreed to be provincialized to make the government college. But whoever decides so, there may be some institutions which they may agree to become a government college. Then we want to make them government college. That's all, simple as simple. Instead of privatization, rather we are moving forward to provincialize or to take over as a government college.